Take two. Week 11. Week 11 already of second step. This week we're going to be talking about accidents. Accidents happen that when we don't mean to do something, and it happens at school. And so your child's going to learn that accidents happen and what they can say to another child if that does, like, oh, it was an accident. I didn't mean to bump into you. Are you okay? And then your child will do something to help, like either help the child up if they fell down. Understanding that sometimes, accidents happen will help your child to get along better with other children. So this week, your at-home activity, you're going to play a pretend game like, for instance, I spilled milk on your book. It was an accident. I didn't mean to do it. I'll wipe it up. And then have your child say something like, take turns using just pretend accidents, like, I accidentally tore a page out of your book. Sorry. I accidentally dropped your toy and it broke. I'm sorry. Maybe we can glue it back together. You accidentally got mud on the floor with your dirty shoes. It was an accident. You forgot that there was mud on your shoes. Let's go take them off and clean it up. So this week, you're going to be getting a picture of Miles and Adam. Now, Miles is riding the first bike, and Adam accidentally bumps into Miles. And so talk about this picture with your child, because they're going to see this at school, remember? And so how do you think Miles feels? Look at his face. How do you think Adam feels? Look at his face. And talk about it was an accident. And what can Adam do to help Miles, or what can he say to help Miles feel better? So there's your little page for this week. Let's take turns practicing what Adam can say to Miles. Okay, that's week 11. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Gigawabamen, miigwech bisum dawieg.